Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making tomato Santa and cucumber Christmas tree. Sometimes we like to make pretty shapes and cute characters with food, especially for special occasions. These are the ingredients. Quite simple, but for more information, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we make tomato Santa. Slice off one side of the tomato so that Santa will stand and cut in half. Place them cut side down on a paper towel to remove moisture. Slice the cheese to about 1/4 inch thick and cut out rounds with 1/2 inch diameter round cookie cutter, like that. Put soft cream cheese in a piping bag with a star tip and pipe cream cheese on the bottom half of a tomato. And place the cheese round on cream cheese and pipe some more cream cheese on top of the cheese round. Place the top half of tomato on the piped cream cheese. Then pipe a dot on the top of the tomato. Stick sesame seeds on semi-hard cheese as eyes, or you can also use nori seaweed cut into small round pieces. Now we are making the cucumber tree. Cut the cucumber into 8 and 4 inch sections and cut 1/2 inch thick rounds from the short cucumber section. Using a peeler, slice the long cucumber section to make thin ribbons. And repeat. Take a slice of thin cucumber ribbon and fold to make an S shape 3 or 4 times. And insert a pick and pin onto a round cucumber, like that. These cute appetizers are easy to make with simple ingredients, but they will make a huge difference in the appearance of your food. We guarantee that you can make your family and friends smile with these cute little tomato Santas.